Hello everyone, today we are in the day 5 of Madhubani painting tutorial. So today we are going to draw a sun and a moon in Madhubani painting motif. In first we are going to draw a sun and then the moon. Color the sun and the moon. I hope you are enjoying the process. The colors which I have used is Fevicryl acrylic colors and the pens are Faber-Castell connector pens. So we are come to an end. I hope you all enjoy the process and love the sun and moon painting. Thank you all. Meet you in the next tutorial. Thank you.